So there's a signature riff on this "I'm Not Okay" thing, and it's going to start with the octaves that we talk about. In the octaves, remember, we're going to play the low note, which in this case we're going to play with our index finger on the 5th string, and then we're going to play the octave, and we're going to nub out this E so it doesn't, you don't hear it when you hit it. And then, because we're going to want to do a strum, and we're not going to have to be exact that way, then we're going to go this, and then the octave is up 2 frets and skip a string. So if you can, hopefully you can see that. And then when we play it, because we're kind of nubbing out all the rest of the strings besides the 5th and the 3rd string, and that goes for this whole lick. Okay, so we're nubbing out the same strings through this whole lick. We're playing this whole lick on the 5th and 3rd strings. So I'm going to do it like this. 1, 2, oh, that's what it's going to sound like. And what there's going to be is like 1, 2. There's just 2 of those. 1 and 2, and then up to the 12th fret up here, which is your double dot. You see the double dot? So now your index finger will be up in the double dot on the same strings, in the same shape. See? That's the 12th fret. So it's going 1, oh, I'm sorry, there's going to be 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 10th fret, then the 9th fret. Then that little lick goes again, all by itself. So that went twice, right? Now there's a second riff, which is also the same strings, the same octaves, but it's going to be different frets on the, and it's going to go twice. It starts at the 10th fret with the index finger 4 times, then the 12th fret, that when it comes down to the 7th fret, that's the 7th fret. So how do I know that? By looking at the top, I can see the first dot is the 3rd, the second dot is the 5th fret, and my 7th fret is going to be that 3rd dot. So when I'm moving all these octaves all up and down, I want to keep an eye on those dots to help me know where I am. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and play that second riff again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 10th to the 12th fret. And now I'm going to play this for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You saw that I kind of slid it there, didn't you? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You don't need to slide it. Do it exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2. So that part goes twice. Now I'm going to play the whole lick how they do, except for slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Repeat. Then I would play second lick. And then something that once you get that, you know, you could turn off the video now and make your way and mess around with that. Then when you're ready, or if you get ready before the next lesson, which would be wonderful, but I don't expect it. I'm just putting this on here in case you do, okay? Since we don't have a lesson for 4 weeks. So I'm going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the lick. 2, 2, 3. And the second lick. Repeat the second lick. repeat that lick, first lick again. Second lick starts in E minor. And also over the A chord. Now I'm going to play the octaves at this tempo. Repeat it over the B minor chord. Then I'm going to the E minor chord, you play this. And over the A chord, you play that lick again.